I'm going to Malta to bigger hotel. In the morning I go down to eat a
That didn't work. You're not an Egyptian. What the hell are you doing? No, I'm waiting for you to sit down. Then you.
Oh, what the hell?
I'm waiting for you to sit down.
One day I'm going to Malta to bigger hotel. In the morning I go down to eat a breakfast. I tell the waitress I want 2 pieces of toast. She brings me only 1 piece. I tell her I want 2 pieces. She said go to the toilet. I say you don't understand. I want to do piss on my plate. She say you better no piece on the plate, you son of a bitch. I don't even know the lady, and she called me a son of a.
Son of a beach. Later I go to eat at a big restaurant. The waitress brings me a spoon. A spoon and a knife and no fork. I tell her I want to fuck. That came out like really, pause. Cut. Later I go to eat at a big restaurant. The waitress brings me a spoon and a knife, but no fork. I told her I want a fork.
Everybody want a fuck. I don't get that part.
It's done. Cuckoo. I want 2 pieces on the plate.
You better not.
I'm not gonna piece on the plate. And she called me son of a bitch.
I'm sorry.
I don't know if the lady she called me son of a bitch. Later I go to eat at the bigger restaurant. The waitress brings me a spoon and a knife with no fork. I told her I want to fuck, but she tells me everyone wants to fuck. I tell her you don't understand.
Okay, now you know that part. Okay, now no laughing. Shit.
One day I go to Malta to pick a hotel. In the morning I go downstairs to eat the breakfast. I ask the waitress for 2 pieces of toast. She only bring me 1 piece. I said I want 2 pieces.
Go to the toilet.
Sheila, not now. She's done. One day I'm gonna went to fork it. So now we go to the hotel. When I get to the hotel, get the damn camera. You need the camera.
We don't know. Oh, I just
Go to it at a big restaurant, and she give me a fork and a spoon, but no.
I forgive.
Damn it. So I go back to my hotel, and there are no bed sheets. I call the manager and tell him I want a sheet. What does the manager say?
Oh, sorry. I was sitting there like an idiot.